The most cost-effective and fastest option to get a divorce in South Africa is by agreement. And what we call that is an unopposed divorce, or also known as an uncontested divorce. Hi, I'm Aslam Moolla and I'm a registered attorney. In today's video, we're going to be talking about that. An uncontested divorce, as the name implies, is where you and your spouse agree on the terms of your divorce. In other words, you all agree on the children, the maintenance, division of the assets, etc., etc. Generally, both of you consult the same attorney, although it is advisable to get a different opinion from another attorney before signing a settlement agreement. In other words, when an uncontested divorce is about to be finalized, the attorney will draft something called a settlement agreement that captures all of the aspects that you and your partner have agreed upon. That settlement agreement will contain both of your signatures and it is a valid binding contract. It's advisable to get that settlement agreement checked by another attorney to make sure all your bases are covered. After that, one person will only go to court and the court will make that settlement agreement an order of court, meaning it's going to be binding on both you and your spouse. If you need help in your situation, whether that's talking to your spouse to get an uncontested divorce, or drafting a settlement agreement, or making sure that that settlement agreement adequately protects your interests, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our offices. I wish you all the best and I'll speak to you soon.